Oh, why do I have a surfboard as a freaking glider? Die, bitch!
Thank you.
Footsteps!
Do your job then.
I know.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's right.
Why does my bird get a hunchback?
I'm dying! I'm dying! I'm dying! Ah! I'm not dying. I'm not dying no more. I'm done. No,
You're the weakest.
I mean, bird sound, bird sound.
If you caw one more fucking time,
I
I'm
didn't
leaving.
caw. I pacaw. Puss. Pacaw.
Can I jump off a hill? and
Don't.
survive?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, sure. Yeah. Try it. We're birds. We land on our feet.
It's a bird.
What the fuck?
Into the gun off and then I started crying.
Like he did it on purpose?
I don't know. I think he just got like.
A bird, we're
I'm trying to look up
brains.
Joanne's skirt.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
What? You see something big down there? Is it dingling?
That did not look like a coochie at first. I can't stop running. I can't stop running. Help.
You got the zoomies too?
Help. I can't stop.
You got the zoomies? Oh, kill him!
Oh my god.
Sacrifice! Sacrifice! Oh, that's...
Fuck. Where's the car? I'll tell you in a second.
Shit! Bye!
Fuck.
Why is y'all not helping me? I'm dead!
Where are you?
We didn't protect our queen. Sorry, queen. We're some bad birds.
Well,
Come on, queen, you got this.
hey.
They have a big butt there, nothing.
We're back, queen!
Good
Aquan!
shit.
I jump again. Two bot in here. You kill the other.
Those are not
Oh,
bots, girl.
another
Those are
bot.
not bots. Get your butt back over here. Protect the queen. Come over
0
here.
kills.
Come over here, queen.
Ah,
Yo, you know how you suckers for being protected from us, yo? Oh my god.
He's gonna come out from the storm.
He gone.
Oh, two of them is dead. Nadim, you got it.
Let's go. Yay, we saved the queen, even though she's dead.